Hello everyone. I'm gonna show you the best hosting server on the internet, which is named RDPHosting.com. It's a hundred it's a 100% free hosting server. Uh, Actually, it's a cloud-based Windows or Linux virtual machine that the user can access remotely. Uh, these services are primarily used for tasks like managing the website, hosting application, uh, performing computational tasks, or running automation tools like that. Below in an overview, I will show you about it. Okay, so here are the all features as you can see. Okay, so basically the common uses of this website, which is business operations, running bot script. If you are a website developer or a game developer, or you need to extra server on that internet, or you don't have any machine for the high performance, so you can use it as a free. Okay, or you if you are a gamer or you need a high performance uh, hosting servers, so you can choose it because for gaming or the high performance task it will be best. Okay, so as you can see, it's 100% free, and it's for lifetime. And these are the some free plan which you can use as a solo server or expert server, uh, which is $0 per month, as you can see. And in this solo server you will get full access. And sign up if you sign up on that website, so it will be activate instantly. And then you will get a 32 GB RAM, 24 CPU cores, 500 GB SSD drive, and 500 Mbps internet connections, and 99% or 95% uptime server, which is too best. Because according to my experience, I'm using this server before 1 year. It's not a I didn't feel any kind of issue of this website because it's easy to use, and we don't have any required to uh, activation or any server. Okay, here you can see the other features also, like instant activation, as I already told you, and full admin access. That is a greatest thing of this website, because some hosting server didn't provide the full admin access, because of you need a extra purchase or membership plan, then you can access the full admin access. But in this hosting server you will get a 100% free. And one of the best part, which is a 24 by 7 serving server working, uh, like in this server we don't have to wait any up up to date or maintenance time, like that we don't have to wait. Okay, so is it easy to use? Here in the client section area, if you sign up this website, so you will have to wait max 1 hour, then your ID will be activated. Max 1 hour, according to my experience. Okay, so we will use this hosting server for a different uses, like and one of the best things, which is also a high speed connectivity also. If you're transferring a data into that in the hosting, in this RDP hosting server, so you will uh, get a high speed data transfer. Okay, and we will use this server also different platform or operating system, like uh, Chrome OS, Microsoft, Max, Linux, Ubuntu. Here you can see also. And guys, if you got any problem about the installing or the working experience, please write and comment if you want another video like how to access in the Linux or the Ubuntu also, so I will provide you the section also. Okay, so write write your comment if you got an issue. So I will create a video, a separate video also. Okay, and this website different parts are also like Microsoft, Ubuntu, CentOS, Apache also. If you got a premium membership, so you can try a free trial also first. Then if you got a very well performance, so you can purchase a membership also. Okay, and in this hosting server, you will provide a pre-installed software, some important pre-installed software, or clean installation based on the user needs also. Okay, uh, according to my experience, it's a cost effective, like a pay if you want more things uh, in the premium membership, so you can buy. But according to my experience, I don't think so you need to buy any other plan. Okay, we will access Amazon, AWS, Google Cloud, Amazon Azure, OVH Cloud, something like that. Okay, it will provide a 99% up to guarantee server. So don't think about it. You will face any server issue. Okay. So if you wanna create an account, so you need to go client area section and go to the sign up section. Then choose your plan like this, get started. So you need to create an account by clicking on this. Okay, and you can see the other specification requirement also. Solo free server, you will get a 32 GB RAM, 500 SSD storage, instant activation also. And one of the best thing which is it will not share your data to anyone. Okay, because it has a premium plan also. If you purchase a premium plan, so you will get a extra administrative things or the software part also, window RDP server, premium RDP server. Okay, it will provide a affiliate partners also. If you have a too much audience or if you need to promote that website, so you can participate in that website also, so you can earn uh, very much things also. If you don't want to use a website on this internet, so you can download this software into your PC also. Like I just want to download in my Chromium. Okay, or like Ubuntu, Linux, so you just need to download the server and simply use it. Is it easy to install? You don't have need to configure the all things. You just need to sign up account in the website and simply run it. It will it's give you a very much space, so you can use it as a free for lifetime. As I'm saying you again, you will use a lifetime. You don't need to reactivate every time if you uh, inactive for a month or 2 months. Suppose that I created an account in this month and I inactive for 1 or 2 months, so you don't need to reactivate that account. It will automatically activate it. Okay, so that is a very great part of this website. Okay, and contact support, this is the most important part, because every hosting server doesn't provide a 100% support. But according to my experience, when I contact uh, to this RDP hosting contact support, it will reply you within a minute. So that is a very great things. You will contact through email support. You can create a ticket also, so you can track your activity or your uh, troubleshootings points which you are facing. Okay, you can drop a message also. So that is a good things. Okay, so according to me, this is a very good uh, server, hosting server. Okay, so just try it at once and just let me know. And if you have any query on this website, so please write down your comment in the comment section. Okay, and if you need uh, any configuration part or like how to install in the Linux or the Ubuntu operating system, so just write in your comment. So I will create another video. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for everyone.